it's Dave with the Redneck Garage. Well, when you grow up in the South, you get used to things like it's hot as a fox in a forest fire. It's so hot, the fireman couldn't get to the cat because of the rocking chair or something stupid thing like that. It makes no sense whatsoever. But today it is hot. It's about 80 degrees out here, and it's the first really hot day from summer, and I'm kind of excited about it. Had to put on some sunscreen because I'm old and I don't want to get skin cancer. Today is the day that I start to reassemble the motor on the Toyota 22R 4-cylinder engine. Let's take a look at where we're at with those parts. Here's all my gaskets. I even got some gasket maker RTV silicone. Haven't gone through all of them. There's the valve cover. Looks good. Here's my valve cover that is powder coated, and it's very much ready to go on for sure. And underneath it is the new head that I bought for 250 bucks. So I'm super excited about that. I got to put the back cover on. I'm cleaning that up, and then we're basically ready to put the gasket on and start torquing it down. The head is pretty clean, but I'm going to go ahead and take my new Milwaukee Fuel die grinder with a roll-lock disc and polish off the top of it. Clean it off one last time before I put the head gasket on, and you can set the head back on it. Son of a gun. It slid out of the plastic bag and hit right on this corner. You can see where it's flattened down, and it cracked the head gasket right here in that edge. Now, I might not have any problems throwing this on here, but is it worth it? I don't think so. So I'm going to have to track down a head gasket, and hopefully a Fel-Pro. This is some no-name one, and go get it. Damn it. Well, if I got to go get another head gasket, which I'm not that thrilled about, I might as well have a little fun doing it and take the Jeep. Woo! She's ready to go to the parts store. Well, yesterday I didn't accomplish hardly anything except destroying a head gasket because I was... What, baby? Can you see? Yeah? You gonna get on camera with me? You'll be filmed? Okay. Here we go. Harper wanted to help this morning, didn't you? Hey, did you want to help? Okay. Harper wanted to help this morning. Yesterday I got zero accomplished other than destroying a head gasket by dropping it on the ground and getting it replaced because I was busy with my locksmith business. So that's the trade-off, right? If you're from the South, you know what the saying, right? You got to make hay while the sun shines. Well, the sun was shining yesterday and I made a lot of hay, but I didn't get much done on the truck. So today, I guess Harper and I are going to work on trying to get the head gasket on if it quits raining long enough. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh, perfect. Alright, so here it is. We're ready to put the head back on. We got brand new head bolts and a new head gasket after I destroyed the first one. Nice. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put my head gasket on first. Awesome. Alright, she sit down on there. Awesome. Alright, got the rocker arms on there. Go ahead and set our new head bolts in. Alright, the head's installed and torqued down. One step closer. Tomorrow I'm going to work on getting everything lined up for the timing. Get the timing chain on, get the oil pump on, and then the miscellaneous other garbage. And we'll be moving along. Well, I've been powder coating a ton of parts like brackets, air conditioning, power steering, getting it ready to put back on. So that is about to commence. Starting to look more like an engine. Timing components is the next thing I'm going to put on. I got to take this back off. And I'm going to go ahead and replace all the air conditioning components since I've got it apart and I'm down to this point. Why not spend more money? Well, I'm happy having the new head on the engine. The critical parts to this job are really getting the head on and then the timing. So that's coming up next, is getting the timing set, and then it's just a matter of getting all the externals put on. So keep watching. I think we'll get this thing running here in a short amount of time. Appreciate you being a subscriber. Post any questions or comments below. I'd like to get this thing running again. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.